The annual Black Creativity exhibit returns to the Museum of Science and Industry, celebrating African-American artwork and innovation. Students learn to problem solve at the Innovation Studio, designing prototypes with simple materials.
Not everything's going to come out good the first time, so you just got to re-innovate it and try it again.
7th grader Lorraine Farley and classmates were innovators today, and also had the opportunity to hear from someone with a bit more experience. Dr. Monica Peak, an associate professor and researcher at the University of Chicago, speaks with classes at MSI, hoping to inspire the next generation of scientists.
To tap into their inner creativity, their natural genius, their natural ability to think about problems in an innovative way.
She says this exhibit flexes the same muscles she uses to research low-income and minority communities' health challenges.
Having a live mind and learning from our mistakes and working as a team.
Peak is one of 8 innovators featured in the exhibit's hall. New this year is that each of these innovators is doing their work right here in Chicago. Young Lorraine Farley read about Dr. Peak and then asked the scientist herself about the path she took.
It was actually cool. I just thought I was being a celebrity.
Peak hopes Chicago's black children especially can connect with her story.
And to see people who look like them, who have fulfilled their destiny, to know that they can do it too.
In another room, the Black Creativity Juried Art Exhibition features more than 100 pieces, including paintings, photographs, and sculpture. MSI calls it the longest-running gallery of African-American art, going back to 1970. The exhibits are open through February 21st, filled with beauty and brain power. In Hyde Park, Jesse Kirsch, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.